And hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Late na tayo. Late na tayo guys, no. Late na tayo. Ayan o. 6 minutes? Akala ko ba? Admin war. 6 minutes? Guys, hindi tayo nakaabot. Hindi tayo nakaabot sa war. No, bakit hindi tayo nakaabot sa war? Guys, this is the bad thing I have in my dream. We are, parang ba to? Late. Oh, what is this? Admin abuse. Guys, we are actually late, sorry. Nah, I cannot forgive myself. Dami kaya nila for a mutation. Yung ano kaya nangyari, guys? Parang may mutation or something. Oh my gosh. Parang wala nangyari, guys, talaga eh. Huh? Seed shop is being restocked. And ano to? Ano nangyari, guys? Like and subscribe ka kaya tsaka comment ang video ko, guys. Sabihin nyo rin sa akin. Abusin nyo yan. I don't care. I say right. Only me. I don't care. I'm just want it, please. Go! Ano nangyari? I love you so. Man, 4 minutes. Baka late na nga talaga tayo, guys. Sorry. Pero wala na. Late na tayo. I love you so, never let you go. Or baby, parang hindi pa tayo late kasi meron pa tayo 18 minutes. No? Para saan kaya ito? Guys, sorry, pero na-late tayo. Sa new update. Ano kaya nagsilabasan? I love you so. Never let you know. Ano ba yan? Actually, we are hindi ko alam kung gaano nangyari, guys. Admin war. Guys, hindi sila magpapakita dito. Yata. Saan kaya sila magpapakita? Guys, hindi alam niyo bakit sila nagula. Ayun, nag-chat si Jandel. Guys, mag-rewind kayo kung alam niyo na. What the hell? Wait lang. Wala dito sa chat. Ayan o. Ayan o, may sinabi siya. No, guys, late na nga talaga tayo. Huwag na kayo mag-like and subscribe. Di ko nakalahanin yun. Wala talaga nag-war, guys. Wala talaga. Ano papakita sa Grow Garden? Si Sammy. Hindi ko ma-explain. Scroll na. Ano to sa gilid, guys? So sad. Ano kaya nangyari? Oh my gosh, you have cat? You have cat? No, I need trade with cat. I need that. I love you so, never let you go. So, I love you so, never let you. Man, we are late. 1 minute. Guys, kasalanan ko to. Naglaro kasi ako ng yan yun na guys. Impossible naman talaga magpakita si Jandel at si Sam dito mag-aaway. Both sila meron ano. Baka sa ano nila no, sa own game na ayan, wala na guys. Ay, paano itong 18 minutes? Ayan, may guys ay makikita naman kayo 9:44 10. Shit. Ano mayroon kaya sa isa? Gago lang, hinayang ako. Baka may nangyari. Kasi ang war nila, ayan na. Ay, been grown, been, huh? Seed shop is being released. Okay. Okay guys, parang wala pang nangyayari. Ano nangyayari ba? Wala. Oh, we got something new? What is that? What is this right now? Guys, hindi tayo nakahabol. Tapos may bago guys, no? What is that? That's a new one. Is this the egg? Is this the egg? No way, is this the egg, right? 7 days. What? Para mawala na. Yo, that's okay. Yo, may bago sa egg. Yo, there and egg ba yan? Or baka may sa taas. Okay, hindi pa nawawala yung Anong sinasabi ni John Del guys? Hindi ko mag-gets. Please. Huh? Please, pakibasa nga. What is going on? Jandel, I'm late. What the hell is going on? Bro, this is making me sad. Bro. This is making me sad. What's this? No. Lucid. Huh? Lucid. Bro, I'm sad. I don't have new pet. What? Wait. Ayun nga pala guys, chinek ko na wala talagang new egg and new pet. No way, what? No way. Just look at that. Guys, bumalik na yung dati. No freaking way. I'm gonna buy that. Guys, namimiss ko na itong mga to. Ang weird ito, Jandel. Oh shit, marami yata tayo masusurprise. Ito legend. Ayan yung bear. Yung bear guys. Yung bear. Okay. Oh shit. No way. Yung manic octopus egg na wala na guys. Guys, basahin nyo. What the hell? Yung dating egg. Alam nyo kung gano'ng gusto ko. Alam nyo na guys. Gago ka. Bumalik na. Ito gusto ko makuha. Yung bear niyan. Yung freaking bear niyan. Freaking bear. shit, mayroon pa to. Nagpapalaki rin ng mga fruit yan eh. Guys, thank you sa pagnonood. Pero hindi natin naabutan yung event kung ganun nangyari. Pero impossible nga ba talaga? Kung nag-away dito, si Jandel at saka si Sammy dito. Impossible eh. Kasi they are two game. Ano ba? Jandel, ako ba pupunta sa'yo or ikaw pupunta sa akin? Di ba impossible? Sino kaya magiging AI dito? Sino magiging real Jandel? Tapos, sa Stella Brain Light, kung sino to AI na Jandel, tsaka kung sino si Sammy. Di ba guys? Impossible talaga eh. Two game. Impossible. Guys, like and subscribe kayo kung hindi talaga ako nakaabot sa event. Sorry everyone. Pero nakaabot tayo dito. Sana magka-restock. Man, this is not lucky. Give it this one. Wow, I need that. Oh, that's look like no? Parang yung egg magre-restock. Sana mayroon tayo. Mas mauna pa yata yung seed shop. Man, we got nothing. Oh my god. This is making me weird. Nothing good at all. Jandel, please. Magka-restock ka. No, what is this? This game is a... Yo, I don't know what is this guys. Basta, walang master sprinkler. Wow. That's genius. That's meta. Guys, marami ka nag-restock daw ka ganun. Nahinayang ako guys. Mag-like and subscribe kayo kung nahinayang kayo din. Ay, Diyos ko po. Sorry guys, hindi ako nakabot. See you tomorrow guys. Bago na.